Alrighty, so here's a quick tutorial on how to turn off those on-screen markers or camera icons that display on your live stream or your monitor that you're trying to get off. So simply just, and this is a Canon Vixia HF 700. Simply just click this little house button. You want to go over to the other settings mode. You actually want to go to this middle option, and you'll see right there, it says on-screen markers off, but what you want to do is do output on-screen markers. You want to turn those off. And that will get those markers out of your screen. Some other things you actually want to check on this camera are something called demo mode, which might be in here. Some cameras have it, some don't. You want to turn demo mode off. I don't think this camera has it. Let's see here. Oh, demo mode, it's already off. So we want to make sure that's off so your camera doesn't just randomly start displaying ads for it. Also, the other thing you want to make sure you turn off is auto power off. If you're not recording, this camera will just shut off after about 10 or 15 minutes. So auto power off, you just want to go there, do that, turn it off, and now this camera is ready to go for live streaming. So if you've got any questions, just let me know, and thanks.